officially 4 days away from my birthday celebration and we need a total glow up. So let me tell you the theme of my birthday. It's 2000s Tuscan. Super niche, super random, but in this vlog I'm going to be having a total transformation. I'm getting my hair done, we're doing my nails, we have a whole 2000s Tuscan outfit being formed. The only place to start is going to be the thrift store. $70 somehow. I hit the Tuscan jackpot, but I didn't find any sunglasses. So we're gonna go to another thrift store to find hopefully some sunglasses, but this is kind of like the jewelry pieces that I found. And look at this purse. It's so Tuscan, 2000s. And this top is, and I just found a regular black t-shirt. Those are kind of not part of the outfit, just for me, honestly. But these are going to be part of the outfit, guys. Okay, trip number 2 was not as successful. I did not find any sunglasses, but I found some super 2000s Tuscan jewelry. I have to go do my nails because this is the shape of my nails right now. So step 2 of the glow up is nails. So let's go do some 2000s Tuscan nails. Okay, so back to kind of outfit brainstorming. I have a few different kind of Tuscan tops that I have. It kind of has like sequins and brown in it, and it's like has a floral sequins print. It's really cute. The whole back is kind of open though, so I'm going to have to use some kind of boob tape to secure things. So just in case we have a little bit of a movement, we don't have a nip slip, you know. This one is a big contender because I can layer a lot of jewelry, and I feel like we can do something with the necklaces. I feel like that would be really, really cute with this, with some low-rise jeans. So this might be really cute. You guys, it's hair transformation day. Day 2 of this glow up. I'm feeling already so much better. I did some journaling, so I'm doing a mental glow up as well. Get ready to see a hair transformation because I haven't done anything to my hair since 2020, and I am just so excited to professionally have dimension in my hair again. I'm just so excited. Let's go! That's crazy!
It's so long, hey?
Oh my gosh, wow. This is the hair reveal. Asked for like highlights. And it turned out so pretty. I have some dimension in my hair. Another thing with glowing up, inner beauty. The inner glow up, we shall say. And that involves a smoothie. So let me just show you. This place, they make the best smoothies ever. Some vitamins. Final outfit. What's my shoes?